The year was 1976. A small garage in Los Altos, California became the unlikely birthplace of a revolution. Two young visionaries, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, toiled away, driven by a shared passion for electronics and a desire to make technology accessible to everyone. Their creation, the Apple I, was a humble circuit board, a far cry from the sleek devices we know today. Wozniak provided the technical prowess, while Jobs envisioned a future where computers would enter the homes of everyday people. The Apple I, hand-built and sold locally, was a modest success, a testament to the power of passion and belief in their vision. The garage in Los Altos became a crucible of creativity, symbolizing the spirit of the nascent personal computer revolution. The Apple II, launched in 1977, marked a turning point for the entire tech industry. It transitioned computers from niche hobbyist kits to mainstream consumer products. The Apple II, with its user-friendly design and integrated keyboard, brought computing into homes and schools. Apple went public in 1980, marking one of the most successful IPOs in history. The Apple II had become a cultural phenomenon, its iconic rainbow logo a symbol of innovation. The success of the Apple II solidified Apple's position as a major player in the tech industry. It highlighted the growing demand for personal computers, devices that empowered individuals and democratized access to information. The seeds sown in that Los Altos garage were now blossoming, transforming the technological landscape forever. The year 1984 saw the arrival of the Macintosh, a computer that would redefine the relationship between humans and machines. Breaking away from text-based interfaces, the Macintosh introduced the world to the graphical user interface with intuitive icons, windows, and mouse. The launch of the Macintosh was accompanied by a groundbreaking advertising campaign. The 1984 commercial, directed by Ridley Scott, aired during Super Bowl XVIII, captivating audiences and becoming a cultural touchstone. It positioned Apple as a rebellious force, challenging the status quo and empowering individuals to think different. The Macintosh wasn't an instant commercial success due to its high price and limited software library, but its impact on the industry was undeniable, setting a new standard for personal computing. The Macintosh laid the foundation for the modern computers we use today. Its iconic one-button mouse and intuitive interface prioritized user experience and design. Section 4, a temporary departure and a triumphant return. Internal conflicts led to Steve Jobs' departure from Apple in 1985. Jobs founded Next, focusing on high-end workstations. Though not a commercial success, Next's innovative operating system would later become the foundation for Apple's resurgence. In a dramatic turn of events, Apple acquired Next in 1997, marking Jobs' return. His return brought a renewed sense of purpose and focus on innovation. Under Jobs' leadership, Apple underwent a remarkable turnaround, reclaiming its position as a tech industry leader. Jobs instilled a culture of secrecy, perfectionism, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. This period marked the beginning of Apple's golden age, leading to iconic products like the iPod, iPhone, and iPad. Section 5. The digital dawn from iPod to iPhone. The launch of the iPod in 2001 marked Apple's entry into consumer electronics. The iPod was more than just an MP3 player, it revolutionized the way people listened to music. The iPod's success was a testament to Apple's ability to combine sleek design, intuitive user experience, and a seamless ecosystem with the iTunes Store. Then came the iPhone in 2007, redefining the concept of a mobile phone. It was a revolutionary mobile computer, music player, and internet communicator all in one. The iPhone's multi-touch interface and app ecosystem ushered in the era of the smartphone. The iPhone rapidly became one of the best-selling gadgets of all time, transforming Apple into a global powerhouse. Section 6. Expanding the ecosystem iPad, Apple Watch, and beyond. Apple continued its pace of innovation with the launch of the iPad in 2010. The iPad created a new category of mobile devices, blurring the lines between smartphones and laptops. The iPad's success demonstrated the demand for larger screen mobile devices for content consumption and light productivity. In 2014, Apple entered the wearable market with the Apple Watch, combining health tracking with notifications and communication. Beyond these products, Apple expanded its ecosystem with services like Apple Music, Apple Pay, and iCloud. These services created a sticky ecosystem, generating recurring revenue streams and solidifying Apple's dominance in the premium tech market. Section 7. A legacy of innovation, Apple's future in a world of limitless possibilities. Apple's journey from a garage startup to a trillion-dollar tech giant is a testament to vision and innovation. Apple's legacy lies in its ability to anticipate and shape the future of technology. As Apple looks to the future, it faces both challenges and opportunities with emerging technologies like AI, Arkansas, VR, and the metaverse. Apple's foray into custom silicon with its M-series chips and investments in AI suggest a company actively shaping the next chapter of the technological revolution. Apple's future is bright, filled with groundbreaking innovations that will transform the way we live and interact with the world. The spirit of innovation that took root in that Los Altos garage will continue to guide Apple's journey for generations to come.